Okay, let's do this. Okay, cinnamon challenge.
Ready, go.
Cinnamon challenge.
Cinnamon challenge. Just take it.
Swallow it.
Swallow it.
You look Japanese.
She turned into a statue.
Swallow it.
Swallow it.
Why is your face?
No, you have to do it. You can't just sit there and suck on it. Your lips are black. Swallow it.
Yeah, I wanted to puff out.
You like spicy food, right?
And to the screen.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I laughed so hard I got tears.
That's on your face.
It's all over.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
I was like, you like spicy food, huh?